which language did The Weeknd first learn to form sentences? French, English, Amharic.
The right answer is Amharic.
Which famous comedian does The Weeknd have a special connection with? Adam Sandler, Jim Carrey, Will Ferrell.
The right answer is Jim Carrey.
What was The Weeknd's job before becoming famous? Folding shirts at American Apparel, pizza delivery driver, barista.
The right answer is folding shirts at American Apparel.
Which of these songs is by The Weeknd? Can't Feel My Face, Uptown Funk, Shape of You.
The right answer is Can't Feel My Face.
Which of these is not part of The Weeknd's car collection? Ferrari LaFerrari, Tesla Model S, Lamborghini Aventador SVJ.
The right answer is Tesla Model S.
Which country is The Weeknd from? United States, Ethiopia, Canada.
The right answer is Canada.
How many languages can The Weeknd speak? 2, 3, 4.
The right answer is 3.
At what age did The Weeknd drop out of high school? 17, 16, 18.
The right answer is 17.
What is The Weeknd's birth name? Aubrey Drake Graham, Abi Ahmed Ali, Abel Mackinnon Tesfaye.
The right answer is Abel Mackinnon Tesfaye.
What unusual method did The Weeknd use to improve his vocabulary? Doing crossword puzzles, reading dictionaries, watching educational videos.
The right answer is doing crossword puzzles.
Unlock the power of music in your English language teaching classroom and enrich your educational strategies with engaging, song-based activities. Visit songactivityfactory.com to discover free, innovative resources and ready-to-use lesson plans that make language learning an unforgettable and inspiring experience.